This conference will now be recorded.
Hello, good evening. My screen is visible for you, and am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So then yesterday we had done uh, home tab, no? So the options which we were doing in the home tab, right? So that is nothing but so merge and center option. So there are four options in this. So merge and center. Yeah, tell me.
I had just one doubt. Ma'am, till when will we have our classes? Because like from Feb 11th, I think we have our CIAs, ma'am.
So you want me to tell you the ending data?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So most probably it carries till February. That means in the February first week or the second week.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Then when will you be having the classes of
The exams, ma'am,
yeah. So CIS exams
will
when will it
start
will
from
start?
Feb 11th, ma'am. Feb 11th.
Feb 11th. Okay. So then what is the timings of that?
Ma'am, it'll be in the mornings, ma'am. Or sometimes it could be in the
Mornings.
evenings as well,
Okay.
like 4 to 6, or in the morning batch. It could be morning or evening batch, ma'am. Depends on the students.
Okay. Okay. So okay. Uh, I think it won't be completed within that February 11th. Okay, so it may extend also. Okay. So now you are having four options. So that is nothing but merge and center, merge across, merge cells, and the unmerged cells. Okay. So merge. So anybody is having any doubts still here? No doubts in this? Shall I move to the next option, that is nothing but the number formatting? Okay, so now here in this we are having so many types of the number formats. So the first thing is about the general. Okay, so general format, then number format. Okay, so then currency format, then accounting format. Okay, accounting format. So then you'll be having the date, so that means the short date, then long date, long date format. So then percentage time format, then percentage format, then fraction. Okay,
Ma'am, can you move to cell A1, ma'am, so that we can copy?
yeah. ah so scientific and the text, and the text format. Okay, so these are all the formats you are having in the Excel. So now this is about the general format. So general is nothing but whatever you type. Okay, so whatever you type, the number. So that is called as a general format. Okay, so it will be normally. So can you see this? So whenever you observe in this particular number format, so it will be showing in the general only. Okay, so that is nothing but the general format. So and then this is about the number format. So numbering is nothing but, so if you just select this 86 and if you just press enter, Okay, so now if you just go click on this corner, and then if you just select this number, okay, so then you will be getting that in the particular digits. So that means you will be getting 86.00. Okay, you will be getting 86.00. Okay, so you will be getting the digits here. Okay, so now if in the general format only, if you just type here as 86.00, it will not be applied. The number of digits you will not be getting. So, but in the case of this number format, it will be remaining the same. So that is why we will be considering as the number formatting. Okay, so then next one is about the currency format. So now in the same way I will be just typing here as 86 and then press enter. Okay, so then go back to that particular cell and go to the particular formatting option. So select this corner and then click on this currency option. So click on this currency. So now can you see, so that is about the dollar. So dollar 86.00. So why we are getting only the dollar currency? Because the country I have selected there as US. Okay, so what I have to do is, so I have to select this currency corner and then go for this more number formats. Okay, more number formats. So now go for the symbol option. Can you see here the symbol option? So now click on this symbol. So and then you have to scroll down, so until you get the rupees. Okay, so you just scroll down, so until you get the Indian currency. So where is English? Yes, so here we have English or India. So and then click on OK. Okay, so now can you see? So now we are getting that through the rupees. Okay, so this is about the currency. Okay, this is about the currency. Okay, so currency format. So then in the same way, if we just type here as 86, so and then if I just select this, so again the next option is about the accounting format. If you just click on this, so then you will be getting some space here. So you will be getting dollar space 86.00. Okay, so dollar space 86.00. So that is about the
Ma'am, please find out what is
accounting
it used
format.
for?
Yeah, so whenever you have prepared the data, so that means so the employee name. Okay, so employee name. So and then if you are putting the salary data, okay, so then currency format will be used for. Okay, and then whenever you are putting the digits like the salary only in the case of like digits. Okay, so now some simple things I am just typing here. Okay, so then this salary I wanted to convert this into rupees or um something like dollars, so I can do that. Okay, so this is about like I have to select these things and then I will click on this general, so and then I'll just click on this currency. So now this is about dollar. So now what I'll do, I'll just click on this corner, so click on this more number formats, so and then symbol. So now here I'll just go for the rupees here. So I'll just browse it for the rupees here. So scroll down. Yes, now I got this Hindi and then click on OK. So see now I got the particular salary in the format of rupees. Okay, so this is about the currency format. So this is about the accounting format. So what happens now in the case of accounting, you will be getting the space between the symbol and the amount here. Okay, so just click on this and then click on more number formats. And then in the same way, what you have to do, so you have to go for the you have to select this rupees here. Okay, so you have to select this rupees here, then click on OK. So now you can just see here, so you will be getting the space between the amount and the symbol. So that is about the accounting format here. Okay, that is about the accounting format. So then in the case of this short date, so what is this format, short
Ma'am,
date?
can you repeat this once again?
Yeah. So now what you have to do, so you have to click on this particular amount. So that amount you have to do it. So and then click on this and then go for this corner. Okay, so go for this corner. So now you can click on this currency or accounting. Okay, so just click on this accounting format. So now you will be getting that particular number, I mean the value in the format of the currency. Okay, so that means $86.00 you will be getting. Okay, so now what you have to do is, so if you wanted to change it for rupees, so only it will be changing the symbol. Okay, so instead of dollar symbol you will be getting that in the case in the format of rupees according to the Indian currency. So that's why you just select this corner and then click on more number formats. Okay, so now click on the symbol. So and then you just change that to the rupees. Okay, you that change into rupees. Okay, so you have to search for the rupees symbol here and then click on OK. So now you got the rupees symbol. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so number formats, so this is these are all the number formats here, so I think you have copied. Okay, so number formats. So now if you wanted to change this format, accounting format, so then click on more number formats, more number formats. So and then select rupees. Okay, select rupees according to Indian currency. So this is about the accounting format here. Okay, so next it is about the short date format. So now short date format in the sense, so can you see here in my system? So I am having the format of the date here. So that's nothing but the first month it is showing, and then the next it is in the order of date, and then the year. So this is sorted according to this particular order. So now what we have to do is, so in the same order we have to mention the date here. So now what I have to do is, I have to type the particular date here. So that means some date I will type. So some date in the sense I will type here as first month 15th. Okay, so and then uh,
Ika,
1950.
Ramapati, మీకు సైన్ వాంచడం అందుకమ్మ.
Okay, 1950. So and then if I just select this, so this is about in the short date
பெருமாள்
format.
தானே போகுது நான் அட்டெண்டன்ஸ்லாம் இருக்குல்ல அப்புறம் என்ன
Okay.
எத்தனை நாள் ஒரு நாள் தானே என்ன எல்லாருமே ஒவ்வொரு கிளாஸ் எவ்வளோ குறைஞ்சிரும் அப்படியே லீவ் மண்டே தான் வருவேன்
Please mute it.
வீட்டுக்கு போகணும்னு தோணுதா
Tisha. So and then the next thing is about the long date format. So long date in the sense, if I just type the same thing, so that is nothing but so one first month 15th 1950. So some simultaneous date I have typed here. So now if I just select this and if I just click on this corner, so and
Ma'am,
then click on this long date. Hmm.
can you explain the
Tell
short
me.
date again?
Short date means you are just mentioning the date. That's all. So that means in the same order of your system. So in my system, I'm having the first month and then the date and then the year. So in the same way, you have to type here the first month and then 15th. The date is 15 and then the year. Okay, so this is about the short date here. And then this is about the long date. So long date is nothing but, say for example, if I just type here as the same date, first 15th 1950, that means the first month 15th and the 1950. So and then if I just click on this corner and then if I just convert that into long date, so now I'll be getting the particular date here. So that means it is showing here as Sunday, January 15th 1950, like that. Okay, so this is about the long date here. So next thing is about the time format. So time is nothing but, say for example, if I just type here as 650. Okay, so 650, so this is our custom format. But in the same way, if I just select this and if I wanted to change this into time format, if I just click on this time, so now I'll be getting here as 6:50 a.m. Okay, so if I want PM, so then what I have to do is 1850. Okay, 1850. So then click on this corner, again click on this time here. So now I am getting here as 6:50 p.m.
Ma'am, please can you repeat this?
So this is see now if I just type here as 6:50, so then if I just click on this time, okay, so then I'll be getting here as 6:50 a.m. Okay, so then in the same way you add a 12 for that, you add a 12 for that and you just type here as 18. Okay, you add a 12 and then you just type here as 18 and then 18 semicolon 50 and then press enter. See now I'll be getting the time format, so that means 6:50 p.m. you will be getting.
Ma'am, can you repeat this once more?
Okay,
Can you
understood.
repeat this once more, ma'am?
So yeah. So now what you have to do is, so now here you just type here as 6:50. Okay, so now and then click on this corner and then you just change this to time format. So now you'll be getting here as 6:50 a.m. Okay, so or else, so if you just select you just put type here as 18, so you have to add here for 6 12 you have to add. Okay, so what is 12 plus 6? So 12 plus 6 is 18. Okay, so if you wanted to show that in the PM format, so then you have to type there as 18 and then 50. Okay, 18 and then 50. So now see, automatically it will be changed into PM. So that means 6:50 PM. Understood? No?
Ma'am, for me that AM and PM isn't coming.
No. You just select that. Say now again I will show. You just type 6 semicolon. Okay, so you put semicolon and then you type 50. Okay, again you type 50. So press enter. Okay, press enter. So now go to that particular cell only and again click on this corner. Okay, click on this number format and then click on this time format. Click on this time format. So now can you see, you have to change the format as a time, so then only you will be getting AM or PM, like that. Got it?
Ma'am, I did the same thing, but I'm not getting that AM and PM, ma'am.
Even
Yes,
I'm not
ma'am.
getting that AM and PM, ma'am.
Once you select that cell, so click on that particular cell and then click on the corner of this number format, and then you change that to time. You change that to time.
Ma'am, it is
No,
still the
ma'am.
same, ma'am.
It's not
You
coming,
are
ma'am.
not getting. Okay. So now what you have to do is, go for the start menu. Go for in Windows. Go for that start menu, and then go for the control panel. Go for the control panel. So and then go for this date and time. Date and time.
Ma'am, where
Yes,
date and time, ma'am?
You are not getting.
ma'am.
So go for the
If
control
it's
panel.
not there, ma'am, we can search, ma'am. We can search on top, date and time.
Yeah. You can search here. So and then you just go for this date and time. Or else you can go for this region region, and then you have to check here. So that means time, a short time. So that means HMMTT, HMMSSTT. So this is short time and this is the long time. So the format of your system you have to change. What is the format you are having in your system? According to that particular format only you will be getting in your system, I mean in your Excel. Go for the region.
So so it is supposed to be like HMTT and
MM.
HMSSTT.
So that is long time. So you just search for short time. So HMMTT. So you change that to this HMMTT and then click on OK. So now you go for Excel and then you type here, and then now you try 7. Okay, 7, and then you just change this time format. So 7:00 a.m. Okay, so at the same time if I just type here as
Ma'am, it's
1900,
working, ma'am.
so then working. Okay. So then you will be getting here the, click on this time. So now you will be getting here as 7:00 p.m. like that. So that is the difference between AM and the PM. So you have to add 12. So that one you have to go through. So first what you have to do, so if you wanted to change the date or time or something else like that, you have to click on the start. Okay, click on start, and then you have to go for the control panel. Okay, so and then you have to go for the region. Okay, so then you have to change the format. Change the format of time.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay, or
It is
date.
showing like
Hmm.
AM for me, ma'am.
So then what you have to do, so you have to type 19 p.m. I mean 19 uh, semicolon 00. You type here 19 semicolon 00. Okay, so now you go back to the same cell and then click on this corner. So and then you just select this as time. Now you will be getting as 7:00 p.m.
Yes, ma'am. Can you put that thing in the notes, ma'am?
Ah, change the format of time or date and then open Excel and type 1900. So then you will be getting there as, then click on time format, change that to time format. So then you will be getting as 7:00 p.m. Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh. So then next one is about the percentage format. So now the percentage, if I just select so something like if I just type here as 0.85, okay, so then it will be multiplied with a particular number. Okay, so particular number, so that means with 100. Okay, so if I just type here as 0.85, then it will be multiplied this 0.85 into 100. Okay, like that. So select this and then click on this corner. So and then you just click on this percentage. So now you will be getting here as 85.00, like that. So percentage in the sense the number will be multiplied, the number will be multiplied with 100. Okay, so if I just type here as 0.85, or else if I just type here as 85, so then automatically it will be changed to 8500 percentage. So now it doesn't suit for 85, that means the whole number. So it will be suiting for this particular digit. So that is 0.85 if I just mention. So then if I wanted to convert that into percentage, so then 0.85 into 100, so now you will be getting here as 85%, like that.
Ma'am,
Yeah, tell me.
could you repeat the percentage again? Uh, the video was lagging
So
for me.
just you specify here 0.85. Okay, so 0.85. So and then if you just select this and if you just convert this into percentage, so this is in the general format. If I just wait. So now in the general format, if I just mention here as 0.85, so now if you just select this corner and if you just select this percentage, so now you will be getting here as 85.00. So that means it will be multiplied with 100. So that means 0.85 into 100, like that.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Huh. So next it is about the fraction. So fraction in the sense, so again the same thing, same number if I just type here. So that means 86 if I just type here. So and then if you just click on this, so and then fraction, if I just mention here, so now I'll be getting it as nothing will be 86 nothing means divided by 1 it will be taking. So that means the fraction. Okay, so fraction only it will be taking. So or else if I just mention this one in the fraction format, so then I'll be getting here as the fraction format. So or else if I just mention here 0.86, so now can you see 0.86 if I just mention, so you will be getting that in the fraction format. So that means 6 by 7. Okay, so next it is about the scientific format. So if I just mention here as 86, so and then if I just click on the scientific format here, so now you'll be getting that in a scientific format. That means exponential format. So most probably they will not be using much this. So they'll be using more a number of percentage, timings, a time format, then the number, currency format and everything. So they'll be using these things. They'll not be using much this one. And then the next one is about the text format. So
Ma'am, one
text
second,
is
ma'am.
nothing
Can
but,
you repeat the
yeah,
fraction
yeah,
again?
fraction. So fraction is nothing but, say now I have specified here as 0.86. Okay, I have specified here as 0.86, or else if I just mention here as 0.85 also, I'll be getting here as 6 by 7. So that I will be getting in the fraction format. So fraction format I'll be
Yes,
getting.
ma'am.
So
Yes,
that
ma'am.
means the, ha. So then the next one is about the text format. So text format. So if I just mention the number here, so and then if I just select, click on this corner, and then if I just click on this text here, so then it will be converted into the text format. So actually 86 is a number for us. As soon as we see, so 8 is a number. I mean 86 is a number for us. But according to the Excel, if I just convert that into text, so then according to the Excel, it will be changed it into the text format like that. That means Excel will be thinking that it is a text like that. Okay, so this is about the text format. Okay, so this is about the number formats. Okay,
Excuse me, ma'am.
so the next, uh,
Ma'am, so if you're telling text, no, ma'am, so it should be written in words, right? 86. Why is it not that?
no, 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 not in the full form. Okay, not in the full form, but 86
Okay.
only you will be getting that in the format of the text. So that means, um, according to the Excel, it will be treating that as a text format like that. But this is also the people, they'll not be using this. Okay, so they'll be using till fraction, percentage, currency, number and all. Okay, so this one they'll be using rarely. So then next thing is about the, see, this is again the percentage format, number formatting and all. So this is nothing but the comma style. Okay, so comma style. So what do you mean by this comma style? So comma style is nothing but, so if I just type here, so how will you read this? Actually, whether as soon as I see this value, whether it is a 7,86,000 or else 78,623, I will be getting confused, right? So I'll take some time to read this, right? So that's why what I have to do, so I have to select this and click on this comma style. So now as soon as I activate this comma style, so I'll be getting this comma here. So now I can just see that I can just read here as 78,623 clearly. That's why this comma style is very, very useful. Okay. So then next one is about the increased decimal and the decreased decimal. Okay, increased decimal and the decreased decimal. So that means so the decimals digits it will be increased. So 85 point so 87465, okay, 23. So if I just mention like this, so and then if I just click on this increase decimal, so like that it will be increased. Okay, so the number, I mean the digits will be increased. So and then in the same way, so decrease decimal, so that means the same number I'll type here. So 85.87 46523. Okay, so then so can you see now? So this is about the decreased decimal. So now if I just click on this decreased decimal, see now can you see this? So the decimals has been decreasing here. Okay, so now 85.9. So that is about the decreased decimal here. Understood? So here I have taught you comma style. Okay, so then increase decimal, then decrease decimal. So increase decimal, decrease decimal and all. Okay, so
Ma'am, can you come to the notes once again, ma'am?
ha.
Yes, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Hmm. Okay, so then next it is very important option, so that is nothing but the conditional formatting. Okay, conditional formatting. So now so I just put one simple data here. So now yes. So now I have put some simple data. So now what I will do, I'll be selecting the scores, only the numbers I'll be selecting here. So then what I have to do, so I'll just click on this conditional formatting. So you can see here so many options are there. So please write down these things one by one. Okay, so highlight cells rules. In this we are having greater than option. Okay, so in this we are having greater than option. So if I just click on this greater than and then if I just apply this greater than 85, so can you see this format cells that are greater than 85? So if I just mention this and I wanted to be filled with the yellow fill, green fill, I can select, or else the light red fill. Okay, red text, a red border. So now I wanted to be filled with the green color. Okay, so now click on OK. So now this is about the what that is greater than 85. Okay, so this is greater than 85. Greater than 85. So the next thing is about the less than. Okay, so now what we have to do, so just I'll be selecting this marks. So clear formats. So now click on this conditional formatting, highlight cells rules, and then less than. So now I'll just select this less than 35. I'll mention. So I wanted to be filled with a light red fill only. So then click on OK. So now this is less than. Okay, less than 35. Okay, so this is about the less than option. So it will be applied. Okay, so the next thing is about the which is the next option, between. So now I wanted to be filled with a so I wanted to know about the people who have scored first class. So that means 60 to 85. So these are the marks, right? So between the 60 to 85. Okay, so 60 to 85. So then I will be filled with the yellow color. So then click on OK. So then it will be filled with a yellow color. So that means between uh, 60 and 85. Okay, so that means 60 to 85, the scores you will be getting here. Okay, so this is about the between option. So the next thing is about the equal to. Okay, so equal to, so the same thing I'll copy and then I'll paste it here. Okay, so now I wanted to format, I wanted to clear this, clear formats. So now equal to, so I wanted to view the person who have scored correctly 100. Okay, so I'll just select this and then I'll just click on this conditional formatting, highlight cells rules. So then equal to, so now here I wanted to check whether the person who have scored 100 or not. Okay, so 100, and then I will just apply the green color and then I'll just click on OK. So now can you see? So this is about equal to 100 here, like that. So again the next thing is about the text that contains. Okay, text that contains. Okay, text that contains. So what happens here, so I think you know about the find option. So find option, so here whatever you find for, so that means whether the alphabets or the numbers, so whatever you find for, it will be searched for you. So conditional formatting, highlight cells rules, so and then text that contains. So now I wanted to search for Kamala. Okay, so I wanted to search for the Kamala student. So now I have been searching for the particular student here. Okay, so now this one I will be filled with the red border or the red text. So red text I'll be filling with. So and then click on OK. So I have searched for text that contains Kamala. Okay, so I have searched for the Kamala. So this is about the text that contains option. Okay, so next it is about a date occurring. Okay, a date occurring. So a date occurring means, so this one you have to apply in the format of the date. So whenever you apply the schedule, whenever you prepare the schedule here, so now then only it will be applied. Okay, this option will be used for. Okay, so now a date occurring. Okay, so please take down all these things. So now what I'll do, first in Excel we have to put the month first, and then the date, and then the year. Okay, so now you select this, and if you just drag it over here, so automatically you will be getting the dates here. So you know this now. So automatically you will be getting the date here. So now what we have to do is, so now what we have to do is, so we have to apply the dates here. So date format, so conditional formatting, highlight cells rules, a date occurring. So that means, so here you will be getting yesterday. Okay, so yesterday, so okay, yesterday's date I have to mention here. So I'll just mention here yesterday's date. Okay, so now I'll just select these things. So and then conditional formatting, highlight cells rules. So now a date occurring.
Ma'am, your screen is stuck, ma'am.
So now this is about the yesterday. Okay, it is highlighting
Ma'am,
the,
how did you extend the dates?
yeah. So now this is about the yesterday. So now select the data. Okay, so select the data. First, what you have to do, so you have to type here. So the first month, the date is 1, and then you type the year here. Okay, so now only once if you just type here, and then if you just click on the corner. Okay, so now you drag it. Okay, now you drag it as in the first or second class I told you, no, so like January, February. So in the same way you can do it. So now this is
Ma'am,
about yesterday. Tell me.
ma'am, for you it's coming as first of every month. For me, it's coming each day. So how can I change that?
What is your system format? I mean system's date format. So in my system, if you can see the right down corner, so this is in the format of 1, that means first month. Okay, month format, month, date and year. So which format is there in your system?
Yes,
Whether
ma'am,
the
the date
date,
is
month,
first.
year, then you have to type in the Excel the date only first.
Okay, ma'am.
That means uh, like that, and then you drag it, you will be getting. So now this is about yesterday. So now select this and then click on conditional formatting, highlight cells rules, date occurring yesterday. So yesterday's I am highlighting with a red fill. So and then click on OK. So this is about yesterday. It has been highlighted. So then it is about today. Okay, so then it is tomorrow. Okay, so like that, in the same way I can apply the last week. So highlight cells rules, date occurring. So today you select and then click on OK. So I'll apply yellow color, then sorry, green color only I'll apply, and then click on OK. So this is today. And then conditional formatting, highlight cells rules. So a date occurring. So and then tomorrow. So tomorrow I will be selecting with a green, yellow color. Yellow color, then click on OK. So it has been highlighted here. So whenever you are preparing the schedules, so that means the timetable or any kind of reports, so then you can apply here. So the timetable, while you are preparing the timetable, so this month, this week is the sports week. This date is the second Saturday. This day is government holiday. So like that, you can prepare the timetable here like that. So and then conditional formatting, highlight cells rules, a date occurring. Okay. So then in the last 7 days. So these are the last 7 days. So it will be highlighted. Then the last week. Okay, last week I'll just mention in the light red fill. Then click on OK. Okay, so this is your last week. Okay, last week. So then if you just select this, so this is the this week it will mention. So if I just select this, so then you will be getting this week. Okay, so this week. So then next week. So next week date I have not mentioned here. Okay, so only it will not highlight. So and then last month also, if I have the date here, so then it will be highlighted here. So then last month. So and then if you just select here this month, so then this month's date, each and everything, it will be highlighted. And then it is about the next month also, so the next month it will get highlighted like that. Understood? So this is about the date occurring option. So then next option is about highlight cells rules, duplicate values. Okay, so duplicate values. So duplicate values, so it is nothing but, so here if I just mention some number. Okay, so this I have to change this to general format. Okay, so this is about the duplicate value. So if I just select this conditional formatting, highlight cells rules, so then duplicate values, so you can see this. So the duplicate values will be highlighted with a yellow color like that. So and then in the same way, if I just apply the unique values. Okay, so the same thing, I'll just copy and paste it here. Okay, so then I'll clear formats. So now in the same way, conditional formatting, highlight cells rules, duplicate values. So then here I'll just click on this unique here. Unique, I'll just apply the red text. Okay, so red text and click on OK. So these are all the unique values here. Okay, these are all the unique values. So these are all the duplicate values like that. Understood? So next it is about the top or bottom rules. Okay, top or bottom rules. So what is this top or bottom rules? So the first one is about the top 10 items. So this is what highlight cells rules. Highlight cells rules. Highlight cells rules. So now what I'm explaining here, so that is nothing but top or bottom rules. top or bottom rules. So the same things I'll just copy and paste it here, and then I'll clear the formats. Yes. So now what I'll do is, so here uh, top 10 top top 10 items. Okay, so now I'll just select these values. So then conditional formatting, top or bottom rules. So if I just click on this top 10 items, so the top 10 it will display here. So now what I'll do, so I wanted to change this to top 6. Okay, top 6. So and then I will just select this to green color. So and then click on OK. So now it will be applied, top 10 items. So the next thing is about bottom 10 items. Okay, so now bottom 10 items. So now again I'll be selecting this course. So and then conditional formatting, top or bottom rules. So then bottom 10 items. So then you will be getting bottom 6. So and then I'll just select this light red fill only, then click on OK. So then this is about the bottom 10 items. So then top 10 percentage. Okay, top 10 percentage. So this one I'll move here. So this is top 10 percentage. Top 10 percentage. So now I'll just select this. So now here conditional formatting, top or bottom rules, top 10 percentage. So the top one it will display. So the highest, which is the highest one, which is the maximum value. So that one only it will display here like that. So and then click on OK. Okay. So this is about the top 10. I mean top 10 percentage. So and then in the same way, you will be having this bottom 10 percentage. Okay, bottom 10. So in the same way it will display you the least value. Okay, so the least value you just select this and again click on this conditional
Ma'am,
formatting or yeah.
ma'am, what is top 10% mark, ma'am?
Percentage means the highest value. So within that 10%, 10 marks, who scored well. Okay, so within that 10, who is the top one, which is the top one score, like that,
Okay, ma'am.
highest value. So in the same way, bottom 10 percentage, which is the least value. Okay, so which is the least value. Wait. Here, formats. Conditional formatting, top or bottom rules, bottom 10 percentage. So now here I got the least 10 value. So now click on OK. So this is about the bottom 10 percentage. Yeah, so the next thing is about the above average. Okay, above average. Above average. So the same thing I'll just copy and paste it here. So now here, if I just select these values, okay, so can you see in the taskbar, it will be showing you the average count. I mean, how many number of cells I have selected and what is the total number, I mean the total value. So which is the average? Can you just tell me by seeing there? Which is the average? How much is the average?
63.
Correct. 63. Ah, so now if I just select these scores and then conditional formatting, top or bottom rules, and if I just select this above average, so now it will be showing you above 63. Okay, it will be showing you above 63. So now I'll just select this yellow color and then click on OK. See, above 63 only it will display like that. So and then in the same way you will be having below average, so that means below 63 values it will be showing you clear formats. So now here below average, below average. So now you just select this conditional formatting, top or bottom rules, below average. So now I'll just put it in the red border. Okay, so even then I can just go for this custom format also. I can just customize according to the color which I want. So I can apply the border. I can even fill the color for this particular cells here. So whichever the color I want, I can apply. So I want red color, so now click on OK. See, again click on OK. So this is below average. So even you can customize the particular format also. So this is about the below average. So and then next it is about the data bars. Next it is about the data bars. So again select this clear formats. So now this is data bars. So now what you have to do is, so you have to select this values, conditional formatting, data bars. So now there are two types. So this is gradient fill. Okay, so gradient is nothing but two colors. Okay, so you can apply the two colors here. Okay, or else you can apply the solid color also. Solid fill, only one color it will be applied like that. Data bars. So the next thing is about the color scales. Okay, so these are all the simple options. So automatically it will be applied. So instead of selecting one by one, okay, instead of selecting one by one and apply the format, so automatically you just select the data. Okay, so select the data and apply the format. That's all. So select the numbers, conditional formatting, color scales, so and then apply the color here. So now this is in the order of green, yellow and the red color scale. So green, I mean the highest value will be shown in the green color, mid values will be shown in the yellow color, and the least values will be shown in the red color like that. So and again if I just click on this, see, the color scales will be applied. So then this is about the icon sets. So this is very important option. Icon sets. So if I just select this values, so and then conditional formatting, icon sets here. See this directional. Okay, so then shapes. Okay, so then indicators. Okay, so many things, ratings. Okay, so like this and all symbols you will be getting. So if you just click on this, see, the icon sets will be applied here. Okay, so this is about the icon sets here. So and formatting if you wanted to do, so that
Excuse me,
means
mom.
the customize. Yeah,
Is it bullet points or like just the shapes? Or like what does those shapes indicate, ma'am? Like, those right or wrong?
Ah, see, this indicates according to your scores. Say now this 99 is a very good score, so that's why it is displaying the green color tick. Okay, so now 36 is an average score. That is just the pass score, so that's why it is displaying the into mark. So the score, according to the score ascending order only, it will display. Okay, so the least score you will be getting in the wrong, that means into mark. So again, the good scores you will be getting in the tick mark, green color. So again, in the mid values, it will be displaying you in the exclamatory, like that. So again, you select this,
Yes,
copy,
ma'am.
and then I'll just paste clear format. So now this time what I will do, I'll just customize according to my requirement. Okay, so I'll just customize according to my requirement. So what I'll do, I'll just go for this conditional formatting. So I'll just create a new rule. So just to click on this new rule here. Say now, so I will be applying three color scale. I can apply three color scale, data bar, icon sets, whatever I want, I can just apply here. So this time I'll just select this icon sets I wanted to apply. So and then icon style I will be selecting whichever I want. Okay. Okay, this one let it be. So now value. So value which is greater than 85. Okay, 85 number. Okay, 85 number. Okay, so then I wanted to display that in the which one, so this arrow green color. Okay, so then less than 85. Okay, less than 85 and 85 to 35. Okay, 85 to 35. So then again it is the number. Okay, so now this one, so this one I'll just mention this yellow color. So then less than 35, let it be the red color. Okay, so this time I have customized this. So now click on OK. So now can you see, according to my requirement I have set. So I have prepared a new rule here. So that is about the new rule, conditional formatting new rule here. Okay, so this is about the conditional formatting. So if you wanted to clear the rules, so you can select this option also. So clear rules from the selected cells, or else clear rules from the entire sheet. So entire sheet in this conditional formatting sheet, so no rules it has to be applied, it has to be cleared. So then you can even do that as well. So this is about the conditional formatting. Clear about this option?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah. So the next thing is about the format the table. Okay, format as table. So now you just select this format as table. So and then you can format this particular data into table. So whichever the format. So this is about light white table style format. So then this is about orange table style medium 3. Okay, so this is about the dark gold table style dark 10. So if you just select this, so see now here it is applying A2 is to B8. So the cell address it is displaying, and then click on OK. So now this data will be converted into table. this data will be converted into table. Okay, so that is about the format as table. Okay,
Ma'am,
so
can you
then
repeat it
next it is
again?
ah, so now you select the data, so and then click on this format as table. Say now here you can just change the particular table colors here. So that means this is the style like medium, this is the style like light color. Okay, so medium, and then this is about the dark color, like that. So whichever the format you want, you can apply from here. Understood? No?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. So now next it is about the cell styles. So if you just see here, so according to the cell styles, I mean according to the cell marks, so this is 85. So cell styles one by one I'll just apply. So 85. So this is a good marks. So that's why I'll just select this accent 5 blue color. 99. So again I'll be selecting this accent 5. So 96 cell styles again the accent 5. 36 cell styles I'll be selecting this 20%. Okay, so one by one, so one by one, not only the table, not the table. Okay, so only one by one cell I have to format here. So 40%, so the blue color, I mean the light blue color, if I just apply, so the cells styles I can apply one by one. So what does it indicate? So that also I can apply. So this cell indicate that it is a comment or input. So this is a check cell. So this is a calculated cell. This is an output. Okay. Say for example, if I apply the sum formula here, that means the total. Okay, so now this is about the cell styles, and then I'll just apply this output or the calculation format. So whichever the things I want, I can apply here. Okay, so this is about the cell styles. Okay, so the next thing is about the insert. Okay, so you please write down this insert sheet rows, insert sheet columns. Okay, so then insert sheet. So I have explained you conditional conditional formatting. Okay, format cells. Okay, so then the next thing is about insert. Insert, so that means insert rows, insert columns, then insert sheet. Okay,
Ma'am, but there were way more options, ma'am. It says insert sheets and all.
insert sheets, yeah, that only I'm just applying here. Insert sheet rows. Yeah, here I have to add insert sheet rows. Okay, insert sheet rows, insert sheet columns. So now what I have to do is, so I'll be selecting this. So now here I have typed the data. So that means names and the scores. But I have forgot to type the register number column. Okay, I have forgot to type the register number column. So that's why what I have to do is, so I have to make it vacate. So that means the B column, it has to be moved for the next column. So that means to the C column. So that's why what I have to do is, so place the cursor anywhere in the B column. Okay, place the cursor anywhere in the B column. So and then go for insert, and then go for insert sheet columns. Okay, so now can you see, so the whole column, I mean the B column content, it has been moved to the C column. So now from here you can apply the register number like that. Okay, so this is about the insert. Okay, this is about the insert. Insert sheet column. Okay, so in the same way, if I just select this fifth row, okay, fifth row, so I forgot to type one more student name. So that's why here I want space. Okay, so that's why again click on insert, insert sheet rows here. So then automatically the rows, it has been inserted here. So now I can just type one more student name here like this. Okay, so this is about insert sheet column and the insert sheet row. Okay, insert sheet row. Okay, so the next thing is about insert sheet. Okay, insert sheet. So in the same way, like instead of clicking on this plus sign, no, so you can click on this insert. So and again click on insert sheet. So see, automatically you will be getting the new sheet. Okay, so insert sheet. So this is about the insert sheet column, insert sheet row. So then next thing is about the insert cells, insert cells. So if I just place the cursor here, okay, so then go for insert, insert cells. So then if I just click on this shift cells down. Okay, so now click on this OK. Okay, so now it has been moved to the down here. Okay, so in this insert cells, okay, I have four. Okay, I have four insert in this insert cells. That means insert, that means shift cells down, shift cells right. Okay, shift cells right, then entire row, then entire
Ma'am,
column.
ma'am, like from the past 2, 3 minutes, you were completely disconnected. Your screen wasn't visible, so we haven't heard anything you spoken, ma'am.
Okay, so now here, now is it visible?
Ma'am, you were audible, ma'am. So you were there, ma'am. We could hear you.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, we could hear you.
Okay, okay. So then in this insert sheet row, no, so an extra row it has been added. Okay, so then in this insert cells, you are having four types. So that means shift cells down, shift cells right, shift entire row, and then the entire column. Okay, so that is about the insert cells. So if you just click on this, and then if you just click on this insert cells, no, so these four options I have mentioned here. So shift cells down, shift cells right, entire row and the entire column. Okay, so if you just click on this and then click on OK, so then the cells will be shifted down. The whatever the content you have typed here, it will be shifted to the downwards, like that. So and then insert cells, and then shift cells right. If you just click on OK, so then this particular content will be shifted to the right side, like that. So and then insert cells, so and then entire row, so then click on OK. So whatever the content which are there in the entire row, so the content will be shifted to the downwards. Okay, so this is about entire row. Okay, so now insert, then shift cells, entire column, so then click on OK. Entire column, so then click on OK. So the entire column, the content which is there in the E column, so it has been shifted to the, moved to the F column. The entire column will be moved, like that. Okay, so this is about the insert option. So in the same way, you will be getting the delete also. So delete sheet rows. So whichever the cells you have inserted, so that one it will be deleted. So wait, I'll show you. So that means delete sheet. So delete sheet column. So this one, so this register number column, I don't want to get. So that's why what I have to do, I will be selecting this column, delete. So delete sheet columns. So now it will be deleted. So then this one, so this row I don't want. So now select this row, delete. So delete sheet rows, so then it will be deleted, the row will be deleted. So again in the same way, so you will be getting the delete cells. Okay, so delete cells. So shift cells left, shift cells up. Okay, so then entire row, entire column. Shift cells left, then shift cells to the upwards. Okay, so this one I wanted to move upwards. So now what I have to do, delete cells, shift cells up. So and then click on OK. Okay, so this one will be deleted, like that. Okay, so then delete sheet. So this entire sheet will be deleted. Okay, delete. So in the same way, here insert cells also I have explained. So then delete. So delete sheet rows, write down all of you. Delete sheet columns. So delete sheet, then delete sets, like that. Understood? Any doubts? So I have covered till here. So then tomorrow we will start from this format options. So that means altering the row height. So then editing the column width. So hide and unhide. So many important options tomorrow also we will discuss. Okay. So please practice this one. So this file I'll be sending it to you. So then if you are having any doubts, so then tomorrow, so you can ask me the doubts. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ha. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.